Hey guys, what's up? This is Rishi here from Arcade Tech Center, and here with my O-ring on mechanical keyboards guide. So what you do, take your O-ring. I have the blue WASD O-rings with me right here. They have a hardness rating of 40-R and a thickness of 0.4 millimeters. Put it on the keycap stem like so, and then put your keycap back onto the mechanical keyboard. That's it. Do it for all the keys and you are just about set. So now I'm going to show you guys how it sounds. So I'm going to be typing a little excerpt and see how you guys think of it. As you can see, the sound is a bit quieter. It's not as annoying. But it still retains the same tactile feedback, so that is a very good thing. Hey guys, back here again. I said hi, my name is Rishi and I'm typing on my Logitech G710 with Cherry MX Blues. These keys now have O-rings. The O-rings are rated at 40-R for their rating of hardness, of which I've already explained. They are 0.4 millimeters thick and so reduce travel time for the key optimally. Now I say optimally because I think that the keyboard, you still get the click but no clack. And I've already explained what those two are. If you like this video, go ahead and like it, and peace out, guys.